Assalamu alaikum everyone. We've got exciting news for those who are studying Quranic, classical Arabic through Madinah Arabic books. We have developed an Android app called Language of Quran, which offers self-evaluation tests to practice your learned skills. This app is a great supplement to our video tutorials, which we have been producing to teach the most important grammar rules and concepts in a progressive, step-by-step approach on a weekly basis. Both the video tutorials and the app closely follow the Madinah Arabic books written by scholar Dr AbdurRaheem. This app is for those who can read the Quran and have a strong will to understand it. You don't need to have any background in Arabic besides being able to read. Those who are already studying Arabic may find this app helpful to practice the language rules that they are learning. This app is free for everyone and specifically designed for devices running Android. Now, let me show you how the app works and demonstrate the main features so you can make the most of it. At the end of the video, I will also explain where and how to download the app. The app is simple and easy to use. When you first open it, the main menu appears. The main menu shows the list of all the lessons we have created so far. As you can see, the section numbering of this app follows the three-level convention: A, point B, point C, ABC. The first number shows Madinah book number. The second number corresponds with the lesson number in Madinah book. And the third number corresponds with the lesson part because each lesson is taught in several parts. So section numbering is closely related to our YouTube video tutorials. For example, the section numbered 1.4.7 corresponds to the materials taught in video lesson Madinah Book 1, Lesson 4, Part 7. In the beginning, all the sections except the first section come locked. They unlock sequentially once both the concept and the test subsections are completed. Unlocked sections turn green. The first item of each section in the list describes the materials to be learned. It contains links to YouTube videos that introduce the concepts being taught. You can follow the lesson orders in this manner if you wish.
Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to our next tutorial video of the series. We will cover lesson 2 of book 1 today, inshallah. In my book, the lesson 2 starts on page 12.
After you watch and finish the tutorial, you can return directly to where you left off by tapping the back button. Now, the concept subsections are completed by tapping on the Got It button on the bottom. The second item of the section in the list is the self-evaluation test. The tests generally have 2 rounds. Round 1 will ask multiple choice questions. All the questions will be based on the materials taught in the video lesson. For each question, you need to choose the correct answer. A special scoring system determines your progress depending on your performance. With each correct answer, your overall score increases, and with each incorrect answer, your score decreases. The first round is completed once you reach 100%, and the second round starts automatically. Round 2 questions will be either sentence building or fill in the gap. For example, students need to make up sentences in the box provided. As you can see, I am building different sentences by following the questions or instructions given below. If I make a mistake, I can tap the reset button to clear the text box so I can start over. I need to reach 100% in order to complete round 2. Should I have difficulty finishing the round, I can always come back to the corresponding video lesson to learn more and retake the test. There is no limit in doing so. I would like to point out that you don't need to be connected to the internet in order to take the tests, but you do need an internet connection to watch the YouTube video lessons. After completing both rounds successfully, the next section will be unlocked. Such sequential unlocking is primarily intended to keep track of user progress, and it can be overridden or reset anytime in the app settings. You can tap the three dots by the main menu on the right of your screen to go to the settings. Here, I'm showing how to unlock all lesson parts, lessons 1 through 4 from Book 1. Now, I would like to talk about an important function of the search button. It helps you find something quickly. For example, I'm writing the word sun here, and if there is anything related to sun in the app, it will show the results. As you can see, when I wrote sun in the search box, it showed me 2 sections on sun and moon letters. Now I know that lesson 3, parts 6 and 7 talk about this topic. Also, by using the search button, I can easily find and go to a particular lesson without scrolling through the whole list. In order to do so, I can write down the section numbering in the search box and it will lead me to the corresponding lesson. For example, I needed Book 1, Lesson 1, Part 4. So I wrote 1.1.4 and it showed me the exact lesson I was looking for. This feature will become especially helpful when our video lesson and test bank library expands, insha'Allah. We have a link for you to download the app in the video description section below, as well as in the comments section as a pinned comment. The app is distributed through the Google Play Store. We would like to point out that this is still a new app, and if you encounter any technical problems or notice any mistakes, please contact us by email we provided on the Play Store. As I have mentioned before, we upload a new YouTube video lesson each week, and we update the app regularly to add new test questions. As a result, the app needs to be updated from time to time. We hope and pray that this app will help you achieve your goal to be able to understand the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in their pure, unaltered form without any meaning lost through translations. Until next time, wassalamu alaikum.